JJ on the river. When I look into your eyes, JJ, I see a future so bright, so bold. You came into my life like sunshine after storm.
Hi guys, how have you been? Today is Sunday. Guys, I didn't go anywhere, but before I tell you the reason why I didn't go anywhere, I just scrubbed my face. You see how I feel so refreshed? No bacteria. Just a few minutes ago when I did like this, I would see so much of white clogged bacteria here, but luckily I didn't have them on my nose side, so I just had them here. So I took my cleanser and added a little bit of flour in it, unga ya ugari, and then I did a scrubbing, just like a 5-minute scrub with it. And now I'm feeling well. I just washed with plain water, plain cold water. I added toner and a sunscreen. Anyway, that was not the story. So today I didn't go to church. I vowed this year I need to be going to church, but I didn't make it to go to church. Reason is on Friday I had a lunch and I don't know what's wrong with me. Currently, I'm normally having a very, very bad stomach. I'm sensitive to foods that I'm eating out. So immediately after finishing eating, I had a very, very quick diarrhea and I got sick immediately. When I got home, I was shivering, I was throwing up, I was so sick. And then I had tonsils. I would feel the sore throats. So I just took Aerius. It's a Aerius is what? Antihistamine. Yeah, cetirizine for kids. So I took that because I thought maybe flu is coming. So I took that and I took Panadol for the ones for babies. Pauline. Yeah, that's what I took, but still the pain couldn't go. So yesterday I went to hospital at Aga Khan. They had closed, and then I went to Equity Afia. So going there, when they checked my blood and everything, I had blood infection, I had food poisoning, and at the same time, I had the sore throat. My throat is swollen from here all the way. It has a white cast. The one, what do we call? The one for someone who has tonsils. Unaona hizo vitu zinakuanga huku. Not the tonsillitis balls, I know them pass. This is but my throat is inflamed. So to ease the inflammation and the pain in my body, I was put in a drip. So I had 4 medication put on drip on my hand yesterday. I'll put like a picture here to show you guys what happened. Yeah, but today at least I'm feeling a little bit better. I've taken the medicine. They're making someone feel dizzy, so you can't go far. So JJ and Auntie, my cousin, they've gone to church. So I've been left at home. Vayo has done my hair. She's taking care of me when I'm home. So she hasn't done my hair. I want to go to the salon to make my hair. Yeah, enough of talking too much. I've carried my water bottle because no, I don't want to take anything outside. So I've carried my water bottle. This is called Gypsona. The bottle is written Gypsona. It's a thermal bottle. You can put hot stuff and remain hot, and you can put cold stuff and remain cold. Yeah, so I'm leaving the house. Maya's gone to sort lunch, and I go to. I have no shoes to wear. Let me pick my shoes.
Soft light city nights, I'm just vibing. Camera rolling, catching moments, I'm alive and every step, every breath, it's a story. No rewind, only now love and glory.
You guys, I'm back home. I don't know why this hair is not giving justice at night. But anyway, I got home. I've already eaten my dinner. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday. Definitely, I didn't go to work. Reason is JJ was sick. So after me getting sick on Saturday, JJ decided he's going to be sick as well. So I'm from the hospital. You guys, the reason why JJ is having this cold, is flu and the cough is because he has gone to school. So what else do you expect to a kid who has not been going to school, has been staying at home, and right now he's outside playing, and outside there are other kids who have that kind of kihoma. So I've been given a few of medications that I should give him for like only 5 days. And let me show you. He has been given this Montiget. I know most of the people know Montiget. This is a Gates product, so he's taking this Montiget. He has been given 3 of these. That is what I'm going to give him for 3. He has been given the Amoxil for 5 days, and then for fevers and cough suppressing, he has been given this Panadol Baby and Infant suspension. Yeah, that is going to take also, I think, for 5 days. No, he has been told to take 8 ml for times 3 when necessary. So when he has a fever or when the cough is paining. And then there is this Cosmos product that he's going to take. He's also going to take for 5 to 10 days. These are the products. So yeah, with that medication, that's what I'm going to give him for now. At least I know it's going to suppress and make him feel comfortable. Even if he's going to school, he's going to like bond clearly with other kids without so much makamasi coming out. And then I spoke to the doctor, and they helped me like do the sanction for the mucus, because JJ doesn't know how to blow the nose. He's still young, he doesn't know how to like blow. So they've put some saline water on one nose, and then the mucus comes from the other one. He had so much clog in his nose, but right now it's done. Now he has the light mucus coming off it. Good evening, guys. Whoa, I've not seen you today. Today is Monday. I woke up so early. JJ didn't go to school today as well. So for me, I woke up early, prepared myself, and went to work. So I'm happy. I'm back home. Yeah, it's already 5:30. I want to take tea. So I want to refresh myself. But first, I want to take tea, then refresh, and then change, go to the gym. There is an orange. Let me take. Let me eat his banana. I'm hungry. I need sugar. I need sugar to go to the gym. And one thing is, guys, I decided from today I don't want to be taking more sugar in my body. The food. So I'm having tea. I'm going to eat a banana as a sweetener for my tea for now. Then change and call it a day. So guys, I'm ready for the gym. This is what I've dressed my sport bra. Guys, you can see how my body is. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. This is my body currently. This is how I look. My behind, I have this here. I don't know what's happening. And then you can see my tummy. I have like kidogo to abs. But now you see my tummy is all out here. This is the tummy that I'm trying to work on. I look so much pregnant, guys. What do you think? I want my tummy to be like, you see where I am, and I want my tummy like this. So this is my gym outfit for today. So this is what I'm wearing. The strap is folding. Yeah, so, and since I can't walk like that, I decided to pair up with my gym sweater. Yeah, I've put some Roron on, so this is how I'm going to the gym. And then I'm wearing my white socks. So I'm going to close until there. That's how I'm going. And then I've remembered to carry my grab. Let me see, maybe I will shoot something or maybe not. I'm not sure. If I find so many people there, you know, I don't like distracting people.
In the road tells its own emotion. The city's alive with its infinite potion. Every corner's a stage for believers. Every night's a blank page for seekers. Find your fire even if the world deceives ya. Write your song while the night still frees ya. City beats are drawn into my heartbeat. Pavements glow and the rhythm feels so sweet. Lost in time, but I feel
having dinner. There is this combination of vegetables with viazi and rice I love eating. So that's what I'm having for dinner today. This is what I'm having for dinner. So I'm not going to take any protein right now. So I think I'll have eggs tomorrow morning for breakfast. And then I'll also have to eat in the morning because I know I'll feel hungry. But anywho, that's it. Hi guys, I'm in a meeting. Yeah, I'm in a meeting. So let me do this and then I'll catch you. I'm in a meeting having my breakfast. The fried matoke, doma, and the sauce that I love. I'm having it with a black cup of tea. You guys, good morning. Oh, umetete? Umetete? At least I can feel.
So just start using one hand. Navuta katikati ya mkono mbili.
Practice. Very practice. You okay?